All right, we're back at it on a weekday. We're trying to make, we got to make about 100 today. It's going to be a hard hustle, but we're going to do it. First order out of the gate is a $12 order for Zombie Burger downtown. So quick drive downtown and then back out to central Des Moines. I'm going to start to not decline a lot of orders and start taking them and see if I can move up the ranks in Grubhub and see how that affects things. So, yeah, let's see what happens. You're along for the ride. All right, first half an hour, we got the first order done. $12 down, only $6 left for the hour. So, let's get it done and get through the night. Quick tip, make sure you have a rundown that you go through before you leave the house. Do I have enough gas? Do I have my wallet? Do I have this? Do I have that? Do I have my bags? You don't want to get stuck out there without something important. So get a checklist together and go through it every time before you leave for your shift. Got a quick $8 pickup from the Poke Bowl company, kind of like sushi in a bowl downtown. And then we'll bring it over to the Grand Avenue part of downtown. Quick tip. If you're parking in a parking lot, face the way you have to drive out so you don't have to back up and spend more time. So it's all the little things. Poke Bowl company, Poke Company was a learning experience today because I had a drink and I'm not familiar with drinks. So in a cup carrier, only one cup, so it's off balance. So I had to hold it, and so that means you're driving like an old lady. Well, no. Old ladies are awesome drivers. So, bad on me for saying that. You're driving like you're driving really slow. How about that? Okay. But I didn't spill it. And I got another ride on the way there. Another pickup, which I pulled over to accept. Because if I didn't, I would have spilled the drink. So, safety first. And the guy met me on the parking lot, so that was awesome. I didn't have to go in the apartment complex. But $13 for Centro. Centro's a really nice restaurant downtown. They have a great pork tenderloin, pork chop thing. So if you like that, you should check it out. But let's go see what they've got. $13. That's almost, what I need to earn for next hour, which is like 18 to 20. So let's go get it. All right, Centro was an easy drop off. It shows that it's important to check what food it is before you pick it up so you have the right bag. Thankfully, I was on the ball, but it was a pizza, so could have been a disaster. But remember, check the food before you go to get it. All right, on to an $8 order from Burger King. So let's do it. Burger King had to wait a while, so that was kind of sketch, but thankfully the gentleman was waiting outside his apartment, so that was a quick drop off. I am headed to Buzzard Billy's for an $8 order next, and then dropping that off on the east side. So fingers crossed for some good times, and we'll see you there. Buzzard's was a little slow, but that's all right, because I got another one right after it. Sing Sao's Chinese right near the drop-off, 2 minutes away for $11 or $12. So that's going to put me over the amount for the hour. So it's an up and down game. You feel up 1 minute, you're down the next. But I'm up right now, so we're going to keep on going. Keep the goal in mind. You got it. All right, we got that $11 order out of the way. And they tried to sneak a 2-for-1 special my way. I had to decline it because I don't play those games unless they pay really well. And then I'm getting a $15 order from Board Narrows down to Norwalk. It's a long trip, but it's going to pay for almost my whole hour. And I have a feeling it's going to make a good story. It already was a pretty good story because on the way down on Southwest 9th, gang of kids on push scooters were trying to go over the Southwest 9th flyover, almost getting run over, and that was great. And then there's a guy in the middle of the street in Southwest 9th, just over that, waving stuff around, trying to flag down cars and drinking something. It was not good, so had to get out of there. But anyways, sometimes you take the rides just to have a little fun, because you know what the good ones are going to be. So we'll see what happens from this Norwalk ride. $15 is $15, right? So, I mean, no offense, but that was like out in the country, and I had to drive through a field, and there's a big dog that almost chased me down. I don't know if that was worth it. So let's get out of here. All right, it's getting near the end of the night. We gotta get this goal. Just got a Perkins for about $9, and then that should put me to like $4 or $5 away, and I can get that with a DoorDash after Grubhub closes down at 10. So let's get this Perkins on East Euclid. All right, quick drop off. Last one for the night is Buzzard Billy's. Nice thing about this is $9, and then it's actually, I'm getting paid to go back to my home area in West Des Moines. So that is always nice, where the final drop off is close to your home. So been a fun night. Thanks for following along. Like, comment, subscribe in this account. Let your friends know about it if they're into Grubhub and DoorDash. And if you want to become a driver, use my link to sign up, and you get a little extra, and I got some extra too. So we're going to say goodnight with this one, and I will chat with you guys tomorrow on the next ride along.